All right, everybody, it is topic 2.2, and today you are going to plot rational numbers. You're going to compare and order those rational numbers. And so let's first just talk about what a darn rational number is. Rational numbers, you can write them, this is an A, sorry, A over B. And it could also be a fraction, a decimal, or a whole number. So go ahead and write that all down in your comp books. All right, let's take a look at this. I think you're going to find this pretty easy, but what if we were going to put on a number line -4/3 and -1.5? Okay, so we're going to still have to have a number line. We know that they're both negative, so we're going to put them here at 0. I know that I'm going to have a -1, and I'm going to have, these are going to be over a little bit more, so it looks like a -2. I'm going to first do them in half because I know that this one, -1.5 will be my easiest. So I'm going to put a point there, and I'm going to say this is -1.5 because it's going to be between -1 and a -2. Now 4/3, I'm going to switch that up, and I'm going to say this is just like saying 1 1/3. We're dealing with a negative. So I'm going to divide, I'll put this in a different color. I'm going to divide up this 1 to 2 by thirds. And so a -1 1/3, but I'm going to put it over here as it was in its original form. And then if I had to compare which one was a larger number, I could say that -4/3 is larger than -1.5 because it is closer to 0. Okay? So you're going to be given some different things. They might be in fractions, they might be in decimals, and you'll have to flip-flop back and forth to be able to compare those on a number line. All right, here's example number 2, and they want us to put 2/3, 1 75/100 and -75/100 on a number line so that we could order those and decide which one was bigger. So 2/3 we know is going to be between 0 and 1 because it's not quite a whole number. And so we can put this one here and say that this is 2/3. 1 75/100, we know that it's going to be 1 and almost over there. I know 75/100 is like 3/4. So I'm going to divide those up, and my 3/4 will be here, or 0.75. And I know it's 1 75/100. So this one would be 1.75 here on this spot. And then this darn -75, I know I'm going to go the opposite direction. And again, it's going to be 3/4. So I'm not quite to -1, but I know it's going to be here. And so now I could put these in order. I know that my smallest one is 75/100, the negative, then the 2/3, and then the 1 75/100. Okay, so in your comp book, tell me how you describe how to reason on a number line. What are you looking for when you decide how to put things on? Just write a quick little summary. And if you want to use these as examples, you can.